I guess here most of them get answer 45 for this problem in wrong order. Here 7 plus 2 is 9 times here 8 minus 3 in bracket. Here 9 times 8 minus 3 is 5. Here 9 times 5 is 45 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 45 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 7 plus 2 times here 8 minus 3 is 5. Here the next priority is the exponent. In this problem we don't have the exponent, so we are moving to next priority, which is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication only, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 7 plus 2 times 5 is 10. Here 7 plus 10 is 17 is the correct answer.